is up, YouTube? Autobahn Dan here. Got another mail call. Gonna use my Mac Tools knife this time again. See what we got inside. I've been messing some up lately, so I gotta be careful. Right. This guy is super lucky. His name is Danoh. Check him out. Thank you for your support. Danoh's Toolbox. Yeah, definitely check him out. He's got some lucky finds, even some lucky lotto tickets. Wish I had that luck. Right. Edit that one out. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Awesome. It's a blowgun. Mine's starting to go out, so definitely could use that. Got a cool magnet here. Let's see. Yeah, pretty strong. Actually, perfect. That's in between. Because the one I got here, this thing is freaking monster. Yeah, this thing is overkill. I got this. I scored this one at a dollar store. Still got the price, or $1.99. But this thing's just overkill. This thing's way overkill. This thing's like insane. It'll keep attaching to everything on its way down whenever you fish for it. So yeah, definitely nice having something in between. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, and it's got the plastic around it. They're actually rubber. Sweet. Definitely, because this one will just rub up against everything all on its way up, and you just can't get to anything. For the heavy stuff I got. Nice. And this right here is Herbrand. Oh, nice. Herbrand. It's my first encounter with the Herbrand. It's an 18. Definitely can use that. I use a lot of 18 on BMWs. And the fitting looks pretty good still on this. Yeah. Yeah, the O-ring's starting to go out the second time on mine. And definitely could have a backup. And who makes this one? Power Fist. Awesome. Good finds, Danoh. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll put his channel down in the link below. Check him out. And on to the next one. Thanks, guys. Hit a like, hit a subscribe. Have a good one.